Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Activity 2 of this unit. The objectives of this activity revolves around the essential question, which is how to create charts in Excel. So let me go ahead and click on that link to see what's more in here. If I click, the students, by the end of this activity, they will learn how to create charts in Excel. So before we do that, let me go ahead and pull up my Excel file that includes the data table that we built earlier in the prerequisite activity. So creating a chart is pretty easy in Excel. It's pretty easy and quick. Excel provides a variety of chart types, and they all lie under the Insert tab in the ribbon. They all lie in this area under Charts section. So we have the column chart, line chart. These are the drop-down menu with sub-column chart, line chart, pie chart, and so on. And here are other common chart types. Most commonly in statistical articles, you will notice that there are mostly they use the column chart and the pie chart depending on how you set up your table. So let me walk you through the steps. They are pretty easy. The most important step, based on which the chart will be drawn, you need to select the table. Of course, we are not going to select the totals. Totals usually are not included in the chart. So we're going to, basically, we're going to select the heading. We need to include the headings because these are the labels that will be used in drawing the chart, especially the x-axis and the y-axis. So in order to select the table, you just need to click on the first cell that you want to include, and then hold the mouse, click and drag to pick or to select the entire area or region. Um, this is a pretty much a small table, so it's easy to do it. Sometimes the table is big enough that the mouse will not help you selecting the entire table, so there is a much more efficient way of doing it. So you click on the first cell, for example, and then you hold the shift key in the keyboard, hold it, and then click the last cell that you want to include. So, and once you release the mouse, the entire area will be selected. So now after we're done with selecting the table, the data table, we are ready to draw the chart. The Excel made it easy to you to draw the chart. You just need to pick which type. So let me go ahead and select the column chart type in under the chart group, and under also the make sure that you are under insert tab in the ribbon and select the desired column type, and basically it could be 2 dimension or 3 dimension. I'll use this one for now, and we just need to hit that button, and here you go. So this is the chart based on this data, and notice that the selector you can see that if you click that chart, you see the selector or the selected area. And notice that these are the months. They are taking place in the horizontal axis, and the region or the sales region, they taking place in the column themselves. The values they are, or the different values here, from 0 all the way, or this is the maximum number, which is $35,000, and this is taking place in the y-axis. Sometimes you may want to change or switch the rows and columns in here. You have this button in here, which is the switch rows and column. Let me see if I click on that. Only one click, you turn it into the Y and X will be changed. So the sales region 1, 2, and 3, and the months will be drawn as columns. If you want to turn that into a different type, let's say, let me go back and switch it back to the way it was. And if you want to change the type to see how it should look, probably in different chart type, let me see if this works with pie. So if I click on the pie and hit OK, yes, it's drawn perfectly in here. So this is the January sales. These are the February. Of course, it's missing some labels, but that will be the objective of activity 3. Later on, we will learn how to change those elements in here. For now, this is all what you need to know about creating a chart. Thank you very much for watching this video.